If you want to measure your blood oxygen with Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, first of all, we will need to swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps. And then in here, we can go to the Samsung Health app. Now in here, you might be able to find the blood oxygen option. But in case you don't have it, you want to scroll all the way down and go to Edit on Phone. Now you will open the Health app, the Samsung Health app on your phone. Tap on this plus in the upper right corner, go to Vitals, and then here you want to add one of these two widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. All right, once it is added, you want to close the editing. And now in here we have the blood oxygen option. So now we should be able to tap on the measure button to, of course, measure our blood oxygen. We also have instruction on how to measure our blood oxygen. So here you can use these instructions to figure out how to properly do so. And once you're ready, just tap on measure. And you might even find, once again, these instructions. So be sure to check them out. And then once you're ready, press OK here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.